It's a landscape full of wonder. It will take your breath away. Begin your Ankarana adventure with a scenic 20-minute helicopter flight over the Indian Ocean and Madagascar mainland. Explore the national park with our expert guides and let them show you the secrets of Ankarana. A landscape shaped by a dramatic geology, the local flora and fauna are uniquely adapted to thrive in this unusual world. A nature walk leads to the extraordinary Tsingy, a limestone forest carved by a millennia of wind and rain. Walk in wonder for this land shaped by time, unlike anywhere else on earth. Come, let us show you the endless curiosity of Ankarana.